Hello guys. Here is method to fix color printing issue in printers. Step 1. Click on the control panel option. Step 2. Now tap on the hardware and sound. Step 3. Click on the devices and printers. Step 4. A list is displayed on the screen, select from it. Step 5. Once you select the printer, then click on Printer Preferences. Step 6. A pop-up window will open up on the desktop. Step 7. Now, click on the maintenance part. Step 8. Under this, click on the head cleaning option. Step 9. A new window is open up and click on Next button. Step 10. Once a print head cleaning is completed, then move on to print nozzle check pattern. Step 11. Wait for some time. Step 12. To check, click again on Print. Step 13. It'll ask for 2 modes, select Good. Step 14. Tap on the Finish button. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.